Need to control purchase rules for variable products? Here's how to configure product variation level limits in Max Quantities. Variable products have two levels where you can set limits. Parent product level applies to all variations uniformly. Individual variation level allows unique limits for each specific variation. In this tutorial, we'll configure the parent product rules. Go to Products, then All Products. Click Edit on your variable product. In the Product Data section, go to the General tab. Here are your parent level options. Exclude min/max rule removes all purchase restrictions from this entire product. When checked, no limits apply to any variation. Override Global enables custom limits for this variable product. Once enabled, the product ignores global limits and follows only the settings you define here. Now you can set minimum quantity for the minimum units required, maximum quantity for the maximum allowed, quantity step to define increments like multiples of 2, minimum total value for the minimum spend required, and maximum total value for the maximum spend allowed. Ignore category limits prevents any category level restrictions from applying to this variable product. Allow combination controls how variation quantities are counted. Let's understand with an example. Let's say you're selling t-shirts with a maximum quantity of 10. You have 3 variations: small, medium, and large. When allow combination is enabled, a maximum of 10 applies to the total across all variations. So a customer can buy 4 small, 3 medium, and 3 large. That's 10 total, which is allowed. But if they try to buy 5 small and 6 medium, that's 11 total, not allowed. When allow combination is disabled, each variation gets its own separate limit of 10. So customers can buy 10 small, 10 medium, and 10 large, 30 items total. Each variation is counted independently. In simple terms, enabled means one shared limit for all variations. Disabled means a separate limit for each variation. After setting up, click Update to apply your parent level limits. Now, let's understand the rule hierarchy. Variation level limits override product, category, and global limits. If both parent and variation-specific rules exist, the variation-specific rule takes priority. The plugin checks rules in this order: role-based, product variation, product, category, then global. That's it. You've configured parent-level rules for your variable product. Thanks for watching.